Welcome to our tutorial on Erect Kegels, a key exercise for developing a stronger and healthier penis. Kegels are renowned for enhancing sexual performance, including prolonging endurance, improving erection quality, increasing ejaculation power, and in some cases, aiding in the recovery of proper function. To perform an erect Kegel, you'll need to engage your PC muscle, which is also known as the pelvic floor muscle. Imagine the muscle you use to control urination. That's the one you'll be working with here. This exercise is most beneficial when done after your girth exercises, and crucially, they should be performed while erect. Okay, so let's do a repetition together. It's normal to find it a bit challenging at first to locate the muscle, but remember, you should only contract the area between your scrotum and your anus. Are you ready? Let's start. Contract. Hold it. Relax. In the beginning, aim for 5 to 10 reps as a baseline. The aim is to gradually increase to holding each contraction for 5 seconds, working up to a total of 50 repetitions. If you're able to maintain a 90% or stronger erection during each rep, feel free to add 2 more repetitions each session. It's normal to pause and refresh your erection up to 3 times during the exercise. You can also maintain your erection throughout the Kegels by stimulating yourself during the exercise without pause. For this, a semi or fully reclined position is usually most effective. It's important not to overdo it. Your pelvic floor should not feel sore from fatigue. Remember, erect Kegels are a powerful tool for enhancing sexual health and performance. Start slow, listen to your body, and gradually build your way up. Consistency and proper technique are key to seeing the benefits of this exercise.